to benefit from huge tax allowances. The régime des impatriés is designed to attract foreign talent to work in France. Some people can benefit from very nice tax allowances and specific tax conditions. You should be able to avoid paying taxes on 20–30% of your income. Hello guys, and welcome to the French Tax Online channel. Today we are going to talk a very specific topic, the régime des impatriés, the Impatriate Scheme in English. As you guys know, this is a very special scheme which is allowing people coming from abroad to work in France to benefit from huge tax allowances. You follow me? Let's go, guys. The régime des impatriés, Impatriate Scheme in English, is a very specific regime which is designed to attract foreign talent to work in France. Depending on the situation, it's quite strict. Some people can benefit from very nice tax allowances and specific tax conditions. The two main conditions to benefit from the Impatriate Scheme is, first of all, you do not have to have been a French tax resident 5 years before you ask for it, and then you have to be called in by a French company, either a foreign company or an intra-group company. And this is not you coming to France and then asking for the régime des impatriés. One last thing, the fact that you benefit from the Impatriate Scheme must be written on your working contract. So if you are planning to move ahead, please talk about this with the HR team and make sure this is on your working contract. There are two tax benefits for the Impatriate Scheme. The first one is the impatriate premium, which is not taxable in France, either the real amount or a 30% flat rate on your gross annual income. The second one is the part of the work you are performing outside of France might not be taxable in France neither, again, if you respect some rules and limitations, of course. We can find two more tax incentives for the Impatriate Scheme. The first one is the I-5 tax, which is the French wealth tax. You would not pay the French I-5 on your foreign real estate assets during the 5 first years. And the second one is that as long as you are under the Impatriate Scheme, you would not pay taxes on 50% of your outside of France financial income, dividend, capital gain, interest, etc. How long does it last? It's quite good. Actually, it can last up to 8 years after you started it. So if you started in 2025, then you would end in December 2033, which is quite good. But be careful, the I-5 thing is only 5 years. How do you actually apply for it? It's a self-declared thing, so you do not have to apply for it. You just know, or you just use it or not. In this case, it means that if you want to be able to claim it, then it must be written on your working contracts. Your employer must give you the basic salary, le salaire de base for the same work, so that we can calculate the impatriate premium, which should be not taxable. You have to have everything ready, document, contract, etc., so that you are going to be able to reply to the French tax office once they would ask you some questions, because yes, we have a lot of questions from the tax office for our clients that want to use the Impatriate Scheme. No worries, if it's well documented, it's fine, you would not have any problems, but this is something you have to be prepared for, because 50%, 60% of the time, they would ask you quite a lot of questions. As a conclusion, I would say that the Impatriate Scheme is a very good status for those who are lucky enough to benefit from it. Again, let's do a quick recap. You don't have to have been a French tax resident 5 years before you apply for it. You have to be called in France by a company, either a different company or a French subsidiary of your own foreign company. Your working contract must specify that you are going to benefit from this. You have to have a very specific dedicated impatriate scheme or bonus or whatever you call it. If you can follow these rules, then you should be able to avoid paying taxes on 20–30% of your income, maybe more, depending on the situation and if you are working abroad. Again, I know this is quite complicated and we have quite a lot of impatriate scheme, which is why we are not too bad with this now. Don't hesitate to ask us if you have any questions. We should be able to reply and make you confident about using it or not. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more tax information. Thank you very much and see you soon.